Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. Today we're talking about the one and only Kaspa, the fastest and most open source, decentralized, fully scalable layer 1 blockchain in the world. This blockchain is super interesting because it has got basically new tech here in comparison to other blockchains. Basically still proof of work like Bitcoin, but it's powered by a ghost DAG protocol. Basically, this is a novel consensus mechanism that extends Satoshi Nakamoto's original design. Unlike traditional blockchains, this discard completing blocks. GhostDAG allows parable blocks to coexist and orders them with a direct acyclic growth called blockDAG. Okay, now this is super interesting and very important, because basically what this does, it means that Kaspa can actually scale how many blocks is being processed and created per second. Okay, so currently they have just completed an upgrade from 1 block to 10 blocks per second here, and you can see here there's actually a really nice diagram here on the website. This is going to work. No, it's not going to work right now. Let me refresh that, and then I can show you guys. But basically, it shows that that it's actually creating 10 blocks per second here on their mainnet. Now, this is super important, as I just said, because this means that it is scalable. This can actually increase over time. Basically, when blockchain gets more adopted, you're not going to have sort of scalability issues. You're not going to have basically the blockchain being congested, no congestion on the chain, no failed transactions, this sort of thing. The problem that we are having a lot with Solana in this time. Now, as you can see here, 10 blocks per second is not the last goal. You can see that they're actually aiming with a long-term goal of 100 blocks per second, basically making it the most scalable layer 1 blockchain out there right now. Okay, with basically no limitations. Now, what is interesting to me about this is the fact that it's not listed on Coinbase or Binance just yet. This is super interesting, because when this does get listed, it's going to absolutely explode. And it's very unlike them to not list something at a $2 billion market cap with over $100 million in volume every single day. So it's very likely that Binance and Coinbase are basically gradually accumulating supply here so they can actually get ready to list this. And being involved with this at this early stage is actually a very valuable opportunity, and could potentially yield a very good profit here. Okay, now let's get into the chart and let's really dissect here where Kaspa could be going and how we can actually make some money trading Kaspa here on the short term and the long term, with the micros and the macros, right? So as you can see here, we do have this lovely falling wedge scenario. Now, falling wedges, they tend to usually break to the upside, which we did see here. We came down, we had that lovely retest, and then we broke to the upside and saw a really nice bit of price action. In recent price action here for this asset, obviously we have descended down. We have retested this trend line yet again here, and this is super interesting because we have seen a very big spike again in the price for KAS. Okay, we're talking from this low roughly to this area around 26.18%. Okay, so this is a very interesting move here, and it could actually mean a bigger sort of micro breakout could be on the cards. Okay, so if we just get rid of the WOD machine for a second here, you can see that this is actually forming another falling wedge chart pattern. Now, falling wedges, again, guys, remember, they break to the upside. So what we're really looking for here is another move. This is the move that we're looking for, and it could actually be worth 16.19% here for Kaspa. Now, if you're 10xing that, guys, that's going to be literally, well, now it's going to be 170% here on your investment. Obviously, be careful trading leverage, but that is what it would equate to. Basically, you're timesing that by 10. Now, in terms of a price prediction for this very lucrative layer 1 blockchain, I would put it way higher than it's currently got to. Okay, so if we look at sort of the all-time high market cap for this asset is actually only at $5 billion. Now, if you've got projects like Sui, you've got projects like Solana, well, Sui's at, I think, $10 billion, and then you've got Solana at like, I think, $60 or $70 billion now. Just have a quick look there. You see $76 billion. A blockchain like Kaspa at an all-time high of $5 billion, it's very underpriced here. If this even gets to $10 billion, guys, it's going to be a 5x from where we are currently in terms of the price. Okay, so that will literally be a 400% move for this asset from here, basically all the way up to this lovely, lovely area just around here, which will be a 37-cent Kaspa. Now the big question is, can this get to $1? Can Kaspa get to $1? How high would it need to be for it to get to $1? Let's have a little look here. So $1 for Kaspa would be basically a 1,200% move. That will be basically an 11x on your investment if it gets to that dollar, which would mean the market cap would be 11x times 2. So it would essentially be basically $22 billion here, which is very, very achievable. If you're looking at Solana here, for example, $76 billion, you've got Tron at $25 billion, you've got Dogecoin at $24 billion. A blockchain like Kaspa can easily get to that $22 billion at the height of this, this bull market that we are currently in at this point in time. So there's definitely opportunity for growth here. And this, as an opportunity for an entry for Kaspa, is a very, very, very profitable opportunity for you guys to explore. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. Go do your own research here. That is the Kaspa update. Let me know what you think of Kaspa in the comment section, guys. And if you do like Kaspa, make sure you drop a little like on the video. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe as well, because we are uploading videos every single day here over on the Crypto Chester channel. And also go subscribe to, go follow all the other social channels as well, because we're going to be posting short form content and all that good stuff there too. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.